GNU is a recursive acronym for GNU is not Unix. It's an early tradition of hacker community to choose acronym as negatives, such as denials that they think resembles something else. Tint, ein are examples where tint for tint is not Tico, ein for ein is not Emacs. Now, acronym for Bing also follows this tradition. Bing is not Google, so is GNU. That is, GNU is not Unix. Stallman has chosen this name also by using various plays on word, including the song on the GNU. I'm a GNU. Then, why it's called GNU Linux?
Yes, it's a confusion that happened in 1992. We were working on a program called the GNU Herd to do that one last job, but somebody else produced a working free program sooner, and that program is Linux. And so other people took the rest of the GNU system, which was there already, and added it to Linux, and they got a combination, which was basically GNU with Linux added. But they got confused, and they started calling the whole thing Linux. And so a lot of people think that the whole system was developed by Mr. Torvalds, who in fact wrote this one piece.
The GNU system not only comes with Linux kernel, but with other kernels also. Other GNU variants are GNU Herd, GNU Net BSD, GNU K-Free BSD, GNU Darwin, and Nexenta OS, which is GNU plus kernel of Open Solaris. Out of these, the most widely used combination of GNU plus Linux kernel, generally known as Linux. It's not fair that an OS be known by the name of its kernel alone. So, it would only be proper if we call it as GNU Linux.